I've been doing some experimenting and, not to brag, but I've gone viral a few times. My favorite platform between the three vertical video competitors is definitely TikTok in terms of the quality of what you can find on there. But as a creator, so far it's been Instagram. It's really interesting because I'll post the same thing on TikTok and Instagram. And on Instagram, it gets more views and more likes. I think the reason for this is that TikTok is in charge. They are the leader in the vertical video industry. As such, they have higher standards for what they pass around. Instagram, on the other hand, if you post an Instagram reel, they get so excited. They're like, thank you so much for using our platform. Thank you for not forgetting us. So if you're looking for a good place to start, Instagram has been working for me. And then in terms of YouTube Shorts, I've been getting some views on YouTube Shorts as well. The one video that I am most proud of that I've created so far is my Madagascar TED Talk video. That was the old lady from Madagascar too. Can't remember how many views I got on Instagram. On TikTok, I got over 600, which was pretty good because it's easy to post something that doesn't get past 100 views. And then on YouTube, I have gotten 400 views, which counts towards my watch time total on my channel for monetization. With all three vertical video platforms, you can't really predict how your videos are gonna do. They spread if they're fun to watch. I knew that my TED Talk parody was gonna do pretty well because that is a trend that was already going around and people were enjoying, and I was really proud of it. That's usually a good indication that I did something right, and I think other people are going to be able to see that too. It's also been really interesting to see which of my videos perform best. The funny videos do win out. Like, I knew that intuitively, but it's great to have some actual numbers to be able to show for that. It's just that there's so many other things that a person could watch, and so for them to remain on your video, it really has to be something well thought out. And in terms of promoting your social media and growing your following, Reels are the thing that Instagram is pushing the most right now. If you want eyes, they're happy to help you get them. And it's the same for YouTube Short. Everyone's trying to compete with TikTok because TikTok is taking all of YouTube's watch time, and that's how YouTube makes money. So this is a kind of a big deal. And something else that I just recently found out, because I saw it with my eyes, is that Reels are moving on to Facebook as well. Facebook owns Instagram. Technically, Meta owns them both. The Reels that you create on Instagram are starting to pop up on Facebook as well when you're just scrolling through your newsfeed. Random videos will pop up. That's really interesting to me because Facebook videos get a lot of views just because of the way that the ecosystem is set up. Yeah, Instagram's a great place to experiment because you probably already have a following on Instagram. So first of all, you're going to be surrounded by friends as you're going through your trial and error process of figuring out how everything works and what your style is. On TikTok, it's kind of scary because you'd probably be creating it from scratch and then posting it out into this dark void. If you're a business that serves people locally and you want to be using vertical video to get local attention, I feel like Instagram is kind of the way to go with that too because of the hashtag ecosystem. On TikTok, the hashtags are such a second thought. It's hard to find people local to you. TikTok is awesome if you want to reach everybody in the whole world because it gets distributed like that. You're ready to get started on your vertical videos, right? Great idea. How did you come up with that idea? You're gonna find a system that works really well for you. I'm planning to do a video pretty soon about some of the funniest TikToks I've seen and some of the most clever brand deal TikToks where like a creator has partnered with a big company or they're advertising their own business. I'm gonna do videos on both of those hopefully. I think these examples are gonna be really helpful in helping you to figure out how funny you can be, which jokes are okay, how much needs to be said, how to keep things short and sweet, what the production quality has to be. Like if you're not familiar with all of that, or if you just need some examples, those are gonna be for you. My family is starting a farm and we have an Instagram for our farm, and I've posted videos of our cute little chickens running around, and I've set it to Mission Impossible music, and that one got 10,000 views on Instagram Reels. They spread like wildfire. I think it's kind of silly not to be taking advantage of that.